Hello guys, and welcome to our next video about concurrent programming. Today we are going to introduce a new problem and show how to fix it in Golang first. And to describe the problem, let's just write some code here. Let's just get rid of this old code, so we don't need them, and start from scratch. So I'm going to create a 2 string channel and then we have 2 go routines inside the anonymous function, and we have this for loop where we are going to sleep for half of the second and put some data, say order processed, into this channel. And I'm going to just copy this and put the same thing to channel with refund, but now the refund will take 1 second to finish. So this is a half of a second, and this is it. So refund process, it just takes more time to finish, takes long time to finish rather than order process. And we have another for loop where we are going to just print first of all this and then we are going to print the second channel value. So let's say ideally we want that it should process 2 times more order than refund, but let's see. Okay, so it's order process or no, so it's order process and refund process. So there's order process and refund process. As we see, there is no 2 times order processed. So this is called a bottleneck, and the Golang has a special syntax for dealing with these problems. This is a select syntax. So let's just use it and see what's going on after that. And we have some code chains here, so I don't need this infinite loop. I need, like, again, this let's just make it for 5 until 5, and the same thing here for another for loop. And just get rid of this print lines, and let's use a select syntax. So select, in case of if something appears in the first channel, then fmt print line this message, and if something appears first from the second channel, let's just print it again. But we need to figure out how to exit from this for loop and end the select cases. I'm going to use circle done channels. So you can use another channel to indicate that we are done with processing and processing orders or processing the refunding. So it will int type, and whenever we exit from this for loop, I want to pass 1 to the done channel. The same thing actually should go here, and we need to have some case statement for down value. And if we do some if something appears in the done channel, we need to decrement this n. And what's n? So we have 2 go routines, and I need only 2 here in order to exit from the for loop. So if the go routine, the process order 5 times here, then it's going to add 1 to the done channel, and it will match this case, and it will decrement. So n will be 1. Then if we finished with refunding the process, it will add another 1 to the done channel, and if we are going to match this done and decrement this, and because after the decrement it will match the 0, and 0 is not greater than 0, that means the for loop will exit. Yeah, that means the for loop will exit. That's the case. And let's run. If we see, well, so ideally we need to see 2-time order and then refund, 2-time orders and refund, or refunds and 2 times order. Reset. So let's see, order, refund, order 2 times, yeah, refunds and order. So let's see. So order 2 times and refund, order 2 times and refunds, and 1 order, because this for loop, this iteration exhausted. Then with the remaining 3 refund is just going here. It's actually not 5 times, it's just 6. Oh, maybe we need to do like this, yeah. So, but still, it seems to me that we have fixed the problem. 2 times orders and refund, 2 times orders and refund 3 times. So 5 times refund, but because we are waiting less than refund process here, we can do 2 times the order, and after that the refund. So that was the description and of the problem, and we have fixed it with the Golang. In the next video we are going to do the same thing with Python. So see you in the next video. Bye.